Embark on a transformative journey with SAP Integrated Business Planning for Supply Chain, SAP IBP, to elevate AI-powered automated maintenance, repair, and operations processes. Explore how intelligent planning and advanced analytics enhance demand forecasting, optimize spare parts inventory, and strengthen operational resilience. MRO planning always starts with understanding what maintenance is required. We bring together all activities: preventive maintenance schedules to avoid failure, corrective tasks triggered by issues, capital or shutdown-related projects. SAP IBP consolidates visibility. The planner sees all relevant equipment and planned interventions. This ensures planning is driven by real operational needs, not guesswork. Corrective maintenance demand can be highly variable, and that's a major challenge. Demand analysis categorizes behaviors into 4 patterns: lumpy, very rare and unpredictable; intermittent, occasional but with some structure; irregular, unstable but more frequent; continuous, steady and predictable. This classification is crucial to selecting the right forecasting method. One size does not fit all. SAP IBP runs multiple predictive algorithms and automatically selects the most accurate based on forecast error. Continuous, intermittent, and irregular patterns can be forecast statistically. Lumpy demand requires different techniques, like reorder models or risk-based policies. This drives better service levels with fewer stockouts and less excess. Parts demand doesn't come only from corrective work, there are multiple sources. Preventive tasks, project activities like shutdowns, turnarounds, and outages, and work orders are also integrated. IBP aggregates all signals into the total parts demand to give one reliable version of the truth. Workforce planning follows the same approach, considering internal staff and external contractors. This enables synchronized planning across parts, labor, and operations. This step ensures that not all parts are treated the same. Spare parts have different criticality and usage. Segmentation methods help classify parts. For instance, ABC, based on consumption value; VED, vital, essential, desirable, based on operational criticality; FSN, fast, slow, non-moving, based on consumption frequency. Combined with lead time analysis, IBP calculates a risk score to determine the ideal service level. Service levels are dynamic over time, not static. The planner can clearly see which parts are operationally critical and require priority stock coverage. Once segmentation and service levels are set, safety stock is calculated accordingly. IBP selects the correct replenishment model. Our OP model when demand is not forecastable. Forecast-based when demand is predictable. Outputs flow directly to execution. Short-term where ERP generates purchase requisitions. Longer-term where collaboration with suppliers through business networks takes place. This ensures stock availability without overinvesting in inventory. Inventory balancing prevents unnecessary purchasing when surplus stock exists in the network. IBP recommends stock transfers by comparing shortages and surpluses and considering distances between operational sites. Optimizing working capital means having the right parts exactly where and when they're needed. Now demand must be aligned with the supply. IBP creates a supply plan covering procurement to ensure parts availability, capacity planning for labor. If alerts signal workforce shortages or delays, planners can promptly adjust schedules to keep maintenance plans realistic and achievable. As plans evolve, financial impact is automatically updated. Procurement cost exposure is visible early, so there are no surprises. SAP IBP supports business governance and better capital planning decisions. This connects MRO planning with financial accountability. IBP for MRO streamlines planning by automating processes while allowing experts to intervene in exceptions, providing valuable input for better decision-making. For more on the IBP for MRO solution, see the video description for helpful links.